Hey, this is my first video of channel and I play Roblox Rivals. But I don't have many let's see weapon. Hey, this is my first weapon, it is a normal rifle. And I have bow and shotgun and RPG. Okay, let's play the duel, okay, let's go. Okay, select map and I chassis arena. It's my favorite he knew, no, please arena, please fa, please arena neo, obi, no, why, sit new, okay, let's play. I choose RPG and Uzi and knife. Okay, let's go, suit bro. Okay, I shoot, he was in the left, no, right, okay. In the right bro, okay, shoot, okay.
Wow, okay, let's go baby. Hey, shoot bro, shoot. No. Okay, oi. Shit. Okay, let's go, we won the round. Let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Hey, flare gun. Okay. No. Okay. Shit. ओके भाई मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ. हाँ तो भाई फॉइल नहीं, ये पानी में नहीं चल रहा. शिट, आरपीजी पानी में नहीं चलेगी क्या? ओह जीत गए, लेट्स गो. ओके, हम लोगों ने 2 राउंड तो लगातार जीत लिया है. अब तीसरे की बारी है. चलो तीसरा. ओके प्लीज. हे नो. ओह he was in the shit. Oh, okay. One was gone, bro. One was gone. Second. No, baby. Shit. I don't know. मैं से कैसे आ रहा हूँ भाई, वो पानी. Oh, good bro. Thank you. Let's go. Okay भाई, चलो अब दूसरा. अब हमारा ये चौथा राउंड है. ये ग्रेड फेंक तो दिया मैंने. Okay. Please bro, no. Shit. Okay. Shit. Oh, let's go. One gaya, one was gone, and we win the round. And I have many keys. And okay. Wait, bro. Oh no. Shit. Shit भाई. मैं कहाँ? ओ गलती से मिस्टेक. Shit. Okay. No. Shit. Okay. Please one. Please one भाई. No. Yamasan. Bro. Let's do. Yamasan do. Let's go. No baby, shit. Okay. Okay, we have many chances because opponents was only 1 point and we are 4 point. Okay, we have many chances. Shit. Okay. Wait, bro. Where is? Oh, he was sniping. Can he was sniping? Yes. No. He was. Okay. My English was थोड़ा. अब हिंदी बोलूँगा. यमासेन भाई मार दो उसे. नहीं, राउंड जीत ले. राउंड जीत. रिवॉल्वर है तेरे पास, चटका दे एक ही बार में. भाई वो उधर है. ये मरेगा, ये पक्का मरेगा. आई थिंक सो मरेगा. शिट ब्रो. Okay, no problem bro. Bihari Blocks. And please subscribe to my channel. Oh, let's go baby. Let's go. We won the round and we won the match. Okay भाई, मेरे पास 4 keys भी आ गए. ठीक है. 1. Okay, अब हम लोग इस वीडियो को खत्म करते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.